Remember what I keep teaching you? Always be open-minded to learn new technologies, but do not waste your time with trendy nonsense that isn't going to help you be more productive and, most importantly, isn't going to help the users. SASS is one of the most ridiculous technologies to come along in web development. Here is why. Imagine this. Imagine learning a program with all kinds of new commands and variables and features, but in the end, all the program does is write a plain old CSS file for you to upload to your website. Would that make any sense? Would you want to waste time learning something like that? I mean, wouldn't it be more sensible to just become more savvy and adept as a CSS programmer? I mean, why learn a whole new system when all it does is output a plain old CSS file? Well, that is exactly what SASS and LESS and other CSS preprocessors are doing. They make no sense whatsoever. There's no reason for any developer to learn or use this technology because it's just making your CSS unnecessarily complicated. You're adding more steps, you're adding more complexity, you're adding more effort to your workflow. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't enjoy making more work for myself. I mean, when I'm changing the spark plugs on the motorcycle and I drop the fuel tank bolt into the frame of my engine and I have to spend another 20 minutes trying to dig it out, oh, I'm not very pleased with the extra work I just created. Oh, I know. Computer nerds can't relate to that dilemma because they're wimps who are afraid of riding motorcycles. But not you. You, my dear students, are neither sissified pansies nor wimps, and you have better things to do with your day than to add more work to your efforts. That is why you don't waste precious hours of your life learning CSS preprocessors. After all, time itself is the most valuable thing you possess. And remember, kids, the world owes you nothing until you create things of value.